In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video with the drawing. See its drawing. This is the drawing. Let me tell you the dimensions. All the dimensions are in millimeter, and if this diagram seems to be blur, I am telling you, you can note down anywhere. So first of all, see the base. This total length is 80 millimeter and this total length is 120 millimeter. Also, there is an empty slot. This empty slot has an height of 5 millimeter and the length is 60 millimeter. Also, there are 4 circles. See, there are 4 holes and each hole has a diameter of 10 millimeter. Also, the base thickness is 15 millimeter and there is another slot. This thickness is 10 millimeter and the distance from this line to this line is 35 millimeter. Also, the distance from this center to this center is 90 millimeter and see this slot. See, this thickness is 10 millimeter and it is mid-plane. So from this mid-plane to the outer edge is 30 millimeter and see there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 70 millimeter and inner circle has a diameter of 50 millimeter and the width is 60 millimeter. Also from this center to this line is 60 millimeter and these are the dimensions. I hope you understood. Now come back to the tutorial. Go to SolidWorks. First of all, delete this one. Open a new part file. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the top plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This height is 120 millimeter and the base length is 80 millimeter. Now go to Features, Extruded Boss Face. Select here Blind and type 15 millimeter. Press Enter and again press Enter and this will extrude. Now select the front face and sketch. Draw a corner rectangle. Now go to Smart Dimension. This height is 5 millimeter and this length is 60 millimeter. Click OK. Now select the origin, press the Ctrl key and select this corner rectangle origin. See, this is the origin and make them vertical. See, now click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here through all or just drag this arrow and this will cut through all. Click OK and see it is cut through all. Now select the top face and sketch. Now draw a center rectangle. Draw 4 circles at each corner. Click OK. Now select each circle one by one and make equal. Click OK. Also select these 4 lines. Right click and select here construction geometry. Now go to Smart Dimension. The diameter is 10 millimeter. The center vertical distance is 90 millimeter and The center horizontal distance is 50 millimeter. Click OK. See, these are not equal, so again make them equal. Select the circle, press the Ctrl key and make all equal. Mistakenly, I have chosen concentric, so select equal. You can see the symbol of concentric, so just select here equal. Now see the equal symbol, so click OK. Now features, extruded cut, and select here through all or just drag the arrow. See, it will automatically cut through all, so click OK. Left click and see. Now select the right plane and sketch, and we want to draw two circles. Also draw a corner rectangle. Escape. Now select this corner and press the Ctrl key. Select this circle and select here coincident. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. The distance from this center to this line is 60 millimeter. Select here Zoom to fit. The diameter is 70 millimeter and the inner diameter is 50 millimeter. Now click OK. See, there is unnecessary relation, so delete this one. Now select this point, press the Ctrl key and select this point and make them vertical. Go to Smart Dimension. This distance is 10 millimeter and the distance from this point to this point is 30 millimeter. Now go to Trim Entities and trim this line. OK. Now see, our sketch is fully defined. Control 7. Now go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select here Midplane and type here 60 millimeter. See, press Enter. Now right plane and sketch. Go to Line command and draw line like this. Escape. Select this line, press the Ctrl key and select this circle and make relation tangent. Now go to Smart Dimension. The distance from the outer point to this line is 35 millimeter. Now go to Features and Rip command. Type here 10 millimeter and see it is in the inward direction, and also select this center option and click OK. See, our part is complete, but there is one thing left. Let me tell you, see the drawing. Also, see this dotted lines. This means that in the symmetric view, it is unable to view. So, he has given us the node C web 10 in center, which means there is another slot like this rip command, and it is also 10 millimeter in the center. So we will make this also And also remember that whenever you will see these dotted lines, this means that in the isometric view it is unable to view, but you have to draw it because the other information will be provided. So let's draw this part. Go to SolidWorks and now again select the right plane and sketch. Go to line command and from this corner to the circle, draw a line, escape, select this line, press the control key and select the circle and make relation tangent. Now features, flip command, flip the material side because the direction is outward. We want inward direction and same 10 millimeter. Center option and click OK. Control 7. See, in the isometric view, it is unable to view, but see the center line. In the other view, it is viewable. So that's why in the drawing, it is shown in the dotted lines. See here, it is also dotted line. So Control 7. Now for the appearance, select the whole part. Go to appearances. Select any color you want. I am choosing this color. Click OK. See, our part is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.